everybody, I'm Fish. I turned off Pro. I don't have the mic today, and the Fishycomics home. I didn't want to take it. I like the natural sounds of the DJI Osmo Action 4. I don't need to really have a mic when I'm vlogging, just when the wind is really kicking. Because that mic, let me tell you, that noise canceling, oh man, did it do a good job indeed. Was that car right behind me? I thought there was a car right behind me. Nah, I know that car passed. I saw other lights behind me. And man, let me tell you, that Fishyco does a great job. It really cuts the noise down. But the problem with that, I can't see the audio track line. It's so small and narrow. And it is what it is, man. I gotta get some things taken care of. I'm heading to one place right now. And I don't think I'd be able to vlog if I got it on the bar, because I'd be wandering all over the road. Hands on the wheel. You got it, man. Yeah, that was nice of the person to wait for me to pass by when I was blocked by a school bus. Yeah, today's Wacky Wednesday. Yeah, man. You know what Wacky Wednesday's all about. And this will be scheduled on a Wednesday, so this way it won't be off schedule. I gotta pedal some. I gotta make this light. Oh yeah, made it across the street. So we got the light. We see everything's nice and turned. We're heading on to my favorite spot. I don't love him. I don't hate him. But it's the only ones around that give me that Wacky Wednesday prize. See that? Wednesday special. Buy a dozen, get 6 free. Alright. 18 bagels. I got mostly all seeds on them. I got the pumpernickel seeds. I got the everything. They're called Black Russians, and normally they should have some raisins and everything seeds on them, and off we get going and get on to have a nice hot bagel. The problem is I'm gonna be all over the road, like I said, trying to hold my camera like so, because those bagels are wobbling on my steering wheel. Hey Fish, why can't you put them on your your rack? They're too big, man, and I'll start to crush them. I got a video to do, and it's not going to be easy to show. And I just got to cover a couple of things, mask, and I'll get it done. And it's going to be a good how-to, because, man, let me tell you, I spent all day trying to figure out how to get it to work. Now, will I get it to work when I redo it over? I'm not sure. We'll see what happens. And do I have the time? That's the question. The thing is, I don't think I have it on YouTube, this video, and I don't love putting things that don't work 100% unless it's my stuff. And yeah, I'm going to try to help you out. Definitely indeed. So stay tuned for that. By now, you know I placed my order, and I'm just waiting for, time to go by. There's no rush, and I'll just do my research and all. And it's like picking daisies, man. I'm not happy. I'm not happy today, but tomorrow I should be happy. And then the day after, I'm not going to be happy again. I'm not going to let it bother me. I'm not going to let it worry me. Well, it's time for me to put you away, because the wind's hitting me and the traffic's picking up and I'm wobbling all over the road. And I hope you enjoyed this non-microphone talk and a bagel day. Yes, indeed. This shows you that you need a microphone when out and about, riding around. And on that note, I'm Fish. You know who I am. Have a great day. Yeah, catch on many other videos to come.